Hello guys, in today's video we are going to play Minecraft Survival Series Part 3 with Lavender Rose stuff and Short Hater Boy. Yeah, I have a fully broken pickaxe, not fully broken.
All my stuff on the first video.
Yeah, he died.
See?
A lot of time. A lot
Yeah.
of time.
I'm gonna try and find a way back up. I see someone.
Me?
Huh?
I don't know why my character is like, my skin is like yours. I don't know
My
why.
skin is like yours.
What is happening over here?
No.
What the heck is this?
I don't know guys. There is something problem with the skins. I had a good skin but now
That's where we spawned.
yeah.
Guys, meet me at
Oh hello zombie.
the
No, we are in the caves. We are in the deep
Come on.
caves.
Get out of there.
I don't know how.
That hurt. Oh no. I hear he's scared of the moon. I see this body.
Bonnie boy, you mean?
Exactly. Okay, I don't know where I am.
I'm going to punch these cobwebs with my bare hands.
I'm gonna see who's
This is kind of stupid, okay? Meet me at the abandoned village.
Wait, no.
I might die. I'm scared I'll die.
Wait. I don't know what I was going to do.
I just broke.
Cards of Ace, come.
Where are you?
Let's look for him.
I'm in the
Where are you?
I see you.
abandoned
There.
village.
Yeah, it's see your name tag. Like,
You're going the opposite way, boy.
oh, okay, come. I can't see. I can't.
Wow.
Don't know where are you. So I'm just searching everywhere.
Come to the position 192,
What?
71, and
Okay,
123.
Where are you?
I
Yeah,
see.
it's mine
Come to
also.
the abandoned village.
Wait.
What are you doing?
I am finding her. She is finding me. Trying to find me. Yeah. I can't see your name tag.
Why are you walking away? Not cool.
No.
I'm just staying in a position.
Okay, good. Where are you? You're in the strip mine cave?
No?
Not you. Cards of Ace.
Yeah.
Lavender draw stuff.
Yeah.
Where are you? I'm searching for you.
I see your name. You're a bit above me.
Okay.
Oh wait. No. Stay.
Okay. I can see you.
The
Hello.
opposite part.
Oh, I can hear you eating. Oh, hello. Come. I'm right over
Is
here.
that you?
Stand there. I can mind you. Hello. Hey, you die. Okay. Just eat. Don't have anything to
Guys,
Yum.
find me. I'm at the abandoned village.
Okay.
No,
Come on,
sorry.
village. He is my friend.
And you're sitting down.
Yep. What happened to the torch? I go first. Wait. Let me mind this one.
There is no place to go.
Hello?
Oh no!
Okay, forever.
It's getting dark.
No good luck, boy.
We are in the cave, so we are not that safe.
Never mind now.
And I'm inside of this house.
Oh my god. What? Oh my god, there's about to be something.
Oh, gravel! I know. Gravel is the baddest hole in the game.
Stupid gravel.
Gravel.
Guys,
Yeah.
I see like I'm not on board.
find me. Oh.
Stop it.
And that was our cat.
I bet they together.
Okay. We can make a chest plate and a pickaxe. Yeah, really. I have a fully damaged pickaxe.
Make some stuff for me.
I have an iron pickaxe that made great.
Yeah, I also have. You have the same.
We made all the stuff, but we forgot where our home.
Yeah, right. That's correct. That's correct.
I have furnace.
I also can you give? I have a blast furnace. That's better.
I've got a blast furnace.
I have nothing.
Nothing. Okay. That's sad.
Oh yeah, I forgot I had a red bed with me.
I have an orange bed.
I have
Okay,
a red
let's
bed.
sleep, guys.
I have a bed with a bed in a bed. Wait. Let me sleep. Let me smell this.
Oh my god. Oh my god. You look just
No.
like Shakira. No.
No.
Actually, my
No TikTok links. I sleep already.
Wait. Let me smelt my iron. This
your
furnace is
golden
so okay.
helmets and stuff.
Sleep.
And then you'll go.
Sleep.
Wait, let me take. Okay. Don't no violence.
All your iron and gold nuggets, chicken nuggets.
Okay, I'm sleeping. You don't sleep?
Everybody sleep. Good night.
Yeah, good night. Good night.
Oh, what day?
Yeah. Happy morning, everyone.
Morning.
Morning in 3 minutes.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Morning in 2 seconds.
Yeah, that's what I
Guys.
meant.
Never.
Can you guys help?
Oh, thanks for that.
What?
Can you guys find me already?
Nope, I don't find you. I need wood. Does anybody have wood?
Yeah, I
I've
have.
got. I'm getting.
I have
wood
some
already.
wood. Take. I have some wood.
Where is it? Oh.
Actually, in the
Oh,
previous
JK.
episode, I just died.
Sorry. I didn't mean to.
I have torches finally.
I have 5 torches finally.
But I think I'll still get suffocated.
Oh god.
Okay, so I am going to find my way out and you can follow the torches.
Okay, wait. Let me also come.
Take the stuff.
Okay, I'm
My
taking.
gold is in there.
Oh, your steak is also there. I'll give
I
it to
take
you.
it there. Oh,
Yeah, you didn't take your steak.
I have 7 steak though. You can take that steak.
No, you'll take.
I don't
You
want
have.
steak.
There was 2 steak in the
I
furnace.
don't want the steak.
I've got
Okay.
40 wood
Take
planks.
steaks. The steak is all yours.
Okay, thanks you.
You're welcome, Steve.
Look.
Okay, let's go.
Wait, let me mine this gold and cattle. Okay.
I've got 40
Okay.
pieces of oak.
Let's go up.
I mean, a cage.
Let's
of
mine up.
love.
Mine up, but then there will be gravel.
You can place a torch in our.
Make sure to put a torch. Yeah, first.
Oh
But I
my.
don't want to risk it. What if you run out?
Thanks, I got one.
Oh, it's a cat. I
Where?
found a cat on the abandoned village.
I have some salmon. I could give it.
Come to the abandoned village first.
We are in the cave. How can we come to abandoned village, man?
Mine up. Mine straight up or dig straight down.
I'm getting taken to my doom.
Dig straight down, bro.
2 minutes. Okay. Where are you? I can't see you.
I'm gonna die.
Okay, I can see you.
Where should we go? This? No, that. This?
What? You stuck?
It's
I thought you find diamonds.
No, it's gold.
Gold. That's not that much.
I'm a
Gold
good
is
gold
no-
miner.
Gold is not that.
I'm actually a nice gold
You are not picking any of the gold up.
I am not.
No, you
I think I ran
have.
out of space.
Sorry, by mistake. Sorry. I'll give you.
No. it's fine. Oops, sorry.
Oh,
I was trying to keep this stuff.
wait. You want?
barricade
You want the
these
gold?
places.
I guess.
Nah? Okay.
Okay, which way do we go? This?
Place the bread.
Ooh, there might be diamonds. There might be diamonds.
I want to find diamonds. I want to be selfish. Oh, no. Where do you find diamonds? No.
You have to give me all the diamonds.
Nope.
Nope.
I was just joking.
Oh, what the heck happened? What happened?
Not my fault. Actually, it might be my fault, but then I'm not gonna take blame.
Oh, there's nothing over here. Let's go back. Oh, wait, I found some redstone.
redstone.
It's mine. It's mine. It's mine.
I don't have any inventory to pick it up. So.
Oh, no, 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 please help me, please help me, please help me, please a water bucket, please a water bucket, please, 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 I'm dying, I'm dying, I'm dying, I'm dying. Oh.
He lost all of those diamonds.
I didn't have any diamonds.
Dude, come to the abandoned village.
No,
I'll
I am like short hater boy.
give you some of my wood.
Okay.
Okay?
I'm at the village and I came and she is going to die.
Oh my god, oh my god.
What?
What's about to get?
You're based alive.
You didn't die?
Let's go.
What the heck?
Let's go. Wait, I need to change my skin. I don't like this skin anymore. Just wait.
That's good skin, man.
No, the hacker one is better.
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, I'm so beautiful.
Beautiful.
Okay, damn it.
We've got lots of seeds for us on our house. I'm just getting some
Oh, a chest.
based alive. A seed is following you
Oh, I don't care.
because of the wheat.
Oh.
I hate this.
Shibi? No, 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 don't kill it. You're so annoying.
Okay.
There's nothing inside, okay? There's some saplings. Yeah, that's it.
I'm gonna find my way to you both.
I'm just going to take these grass.
And slap you both.
grass.
Oh, let me, mama, mama. You want this weed? Just stop lagging my server.
I'm actually lagging at things again.
Not server, like chicken fry. Never sell it. Boy, what are you telling you?
I'm going to ignore this.
My house is going to be made of dirt.
Can you give me some iron?
I
Lost
have a
one.
lot of iron.
Can you give? Oh, thank you. Yeah. Yeah.
What? That sounds like a girl.
Why am I sounding like girl? I don't know.
I see dirt. I'm coming. Surface.
You are telling like I see diamonds like dirt.
I want to go up.
I just typed dirt.
Big
I
thing.
got dirt. Yay!
Honestly speaking, I just want to go up and see.
Okay. Okay. I'll find you and
Where the hell
unbox.
am I? Hey!
Hello. Give me that iron. Okay. Thanks. Give me some more.
Come here.
God,
Boy, bro.
Some more.
Hey, gimme.
Come here. Move.
Some more.
Give me iron
No,
ingots.
no. Throw it.
Okay.
Take.
Some cobblestone. Some cobblestone.
Iron ore.
Some cobblestone.
Perfect.
Cobblestone. Take. Some more. Take.
Thank you.
You got 21.
Thank you.
Well. I'm finally happy to see that. I'm gonna live in one of these houses. Oh, perfect.
I'm living inside of one with a barricaded door. I'm living inside of a barricaded door.
I'm living inside of this one.
Yeah.
Who took my furnace?
Not me.
No, me.
Somebody took my furnace.
I don't have a bed. What will I do?
I don't have any.
I have a bed.
Well, you only
have a
have
red
one
bed.
bed.
No, I have a
I
bed.
have a red
Oh,
bed.
then give me.
Here you go. Come here.
It's me. Here.
I'm inside
Thank
of
you
one
for
of
the red
houses.
bed. I like the red bed.
I need to make a door.
A door?
Even me.
I've
And
got a
then
barricaded door out of dirt.
Of dirt.
The
I
most
love
amazing
dirt,
dirt in
okay?
the whole life.
Dirt is baddest thing in the world. Not baddest thing. It's goodest thing.
Don't say that to my precious dirt.
And yeah, his dirt is so precious you can't even see it.
What?
What? Blackstone? Oh, it's showing. What?
Okay, so
Who is that?
keep-
No, illager,
it's the
illager. Close the door, close the door.
Here. There is raiders. No
There's
joke.
Raider?
Yes.
Not raiders, illagers.
Yeah,
Both
they
are-
raid this place.
Just sleep. Everyone.
Okay.
I can't
Guys,
play.